Hi people of the interweb and welcome to KACHI CREATES. KACHI CREATES is a segment of Natural KACHI where I share Instagram and YouTube content creation tips and tricks for small influencers and small content creators like myself. Everything here, all the tips here shared here are strictly on my own personal experience. So please brace yourselves, grab a drink, subscribe because videos are going to be dropping every Friday. So what better way to start off KACHI CREATES than for me to start off with sharing 5 tips for small YouTubers. Yeah guys, 5 things I wished I knew when I first started my YouTube journey, 5 things that I've realized now that are helping me to get better in my YouTube journey. So without further ado, you know how we do, let us get right into the video. Okay guys, tip number 1, if I want to be very angry, like KACHI, we've heard this before, we've heard this before, why are you saying it again? Well, because you've not heard it enough. The first tip I would say is be consistent with your uploads. Yes guys, be consistent with your uploads. The average small YouTuber does not have 100 viral videos or 100 videos that get 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 or 10,000 views every upload. No, you have to be consistent because people that subscribe to you are waiting on for your content, and you're also trying to dominate in a specific niche. You want to rank. Let's say they said for natural hair, I want my videos to come up, but if I upload once in a month as a small YouTuber with like 500 subscribers, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 5,000 subscribers, that's still very small. There's no way I want to rank with uploading 12 times in a year. There's no way I would rank. Yes, I can get a viral video. After the viral video, what next? That's always the question. What? So please be consistent with your uploads. If you're going to have to upload once a week, 4 times a month, 8 times a month, 31 times a month, and you think it's going to be quality, please do it. Don't upload once in a month as a small YouTuber with 2,000 subscribers. That won't pay you. To be very honest, I've been there. That won't pay you at all, okay? My next tip is don't compare yourself with anybody. I have a saying that comparison is a bastard. Comparison is a thief of joy. Comparison will let it steal your joy. Don't compare yourself. If you see your friend started before you growing, be happy for them and move on. And work on yourself. When you start comparing, you start putting yourself down. You start seeing yourself as a weaker person. And it just makes you feel worse about, even if you are doing really well, it makes you discredit your growth. So let's say your friend went from 2,000 subscribers to 7,000 subscribers, but you went from 2,000 subscribers to 2,500 in 2 weeks. Normally you don't get 500 subscribers in 2 weeks, but you gained 500 in 2 weeks. But if you're looking at a friend that gained 5,000 subscribers in 2 weeks, you are going to discredit your growth of you gaining 500 subscribers in 2 weeks, something that you've never done before. So don't compare yourself. The social media world is made for you to always compare yourself, but always try to keep yourself in check and don't compare. Don't compare. Say it with me. Don't compare yourself. The next tip I would say is consume a lot of content in your niche. When you're just starting, it's easy for you to be like, what will I do? What can I film? What can I film? But when you consume a lot of content, you get inspiration from different people, from different parts of the world, from different walks of life. Yes, you can sit down in your room now and watch a video of someone that is in Antarctica. Okay, I don't think there's anybody in Antarctica. In Alaska. You can watch a natural video of someone that's in Alaska and get inspiration from there. Get inspiration from different sources, and that will really help you. So consume a lot of content in your niche, especially if you're just starting. And if you have like creator's block or anything, consume a lot. It will open your brain to think of different things. Oh, this girl did a twist out, so I need a braid out. Why don't I do a tweed out? You can just see something like that. Oh, this girl did all back, this one did all front. Why don't I do half all back, half all front? Something, just different ideas will come up like that once you settle down to watch consume a lot of content in your own niche. Okay, so I do natural hair. If I consume a lot of content like for natural hair, I can be able to come up with like 2 or 3 video ideas in a snap. I think you get what I'm saying, and that really helped my content because I can upload 2 or 3 videos in a week. Consume other people's content is like gold. Yeah, because I don't like how to put in so much work to think of, oh, what can I film? These things will already come up for me, and that is just easy for me. Okay. My next tip is set goals. Yes, please set goals. And please ensure you write the goals down. I am Christian, yeah, so like the thing is a part of the Bible that says once anything is written down, it's easy for you to. I don't know the Bible verse to be very honest, but I've heard it before. So, well, please write it down. Please write it down. Take your time to write down the goals, because these things can actually like genuinely like change things up for you. I'm like, what is it? There's no way to write it down if I keep it in my head. No, write down the goals. Don't set just really long-term goals. Set short-term goals. So one of my short-term goals early this year was to gain 100 subscribers every month. That's 3 subscribers a day. At least 3 subscribers a day on my very bad days. And funny things are, some months it will get to like 28th of the month. Months ending on 30th. 28 and I'm still on like 60 subscribers for the month. But I don't know how it just works. But in those 2 days, I'll gain at least like 50 subscribers. It has not happened once. It's happened like 3 or 4 times. I'll be like, oh, 100 subscribers per month. I'll be on 60, I'll be on 70. So that's 3 days to the end of the month, and I'll get 100 subscribers in 3 days. So please write down your goals. Set short, not only long term. Before 2050, I must have 1 million subscribers. No, set short term goals. Every month, every day I must. At one point it was every day I must gain 1 subscriber. Last year was every day I must gain 1 subscriber. Some months I'll gain only 20. Some months I'll gain 31, and I'll be happy with my goal. Because that's the goal I set for myself. When I surpass it, when I get like 15 a month, I'm like, wow. So please set goals. Set goals for your channel. Set goals for all your platforms. Before the end of the year, I want to gain 10,000 subscribers every month. That is 2,000 every month. The only 5 months in the year, we move. Okay, so please set goals. My final tip is journal. Write things down. I'm going to go and grab all the journals I have, show you guys everything I write, like all the books I used to write down for YouTube, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, these are all the books I use for you for YouTube. Some are almost done. Like this is actually almost done. These are all video ideas, video plans. That's the ones I've cancelled. They're the ones I've already filmed. So this is one. This one is sort of a new one. I actually just got this one. So it's just like 1 page I've used. This one, half full. This one is really full. This one is really full. Like it is really full. If you guys can see, it's really full. I just need to write jargons everywhere because you can legit find an idea from. You can gain inspiration from anywhere, and you have to write it down. You can gain inspiration from the weirdest places. Like one of my captions on Instagram, I was at the bus stop when the caption hit me, and I came back and I wrote it down because it was not my time. It was not the time to upload yet. Imagine if I didn't write it down, I would have definitely forgotten it. So please journal, write things down. No idea is a joke. Every idea is a good idea. Write it down and try to make it. It might just be like diamonds in the rock. You have to like break up the rock to get the diamonds, okay? So the same thing for ideas. It might just be like, it does not make sense. But when you write it down and plan it, it becomes something very great, something very grand. And many people underestimate the power of actually writing things down and journaling. And like, oh, these are my goals. These are the things I want to do. It would help you. At the beginning of the lockdown, let me give you guys some personal. At the beginning of the lockdown, I'm like, let me write down a couple of video ideas, and I wrote down this whole page of video ideas, and lo and behold, I've actually filmed at least like 80% of everything that is here. If I don't write them down at the beginning of the lockdown, I'll have to start thinking of, oh, what can I film at this point of the lockdown. So please write things down, be consistent with your uploads, journal, set goals. Don't compare yourself, because comparison is a thief of joy. I just enjoy the process of being a small YouTuber, because when you become big, you might think you can never become small again. So enjoy the process of being a small YouTuber. 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 subscribers. Yes, it's still quite small, but enjoy the process. You will grow eventually. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Tell me what you learned in the comment section. Tell me, do you journal, do you write things down, or do you just like freestyle? I'm more of the writing things down kind of person, okay? Please subscribe to my channel and follow me across all social media platforms like KACHI CREATES and Natural KACHI. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Please remember that God is watching you, so give God a beautiful show.